my name is Ayla. I'm passionate about cooking and baking. I started as a child with my mom and my grandma, and it's a passion passed from generation to generation. When I was 17, I took some cooking lessons with my mom, so it was great. Well, I love cooking, first of all, because I love to eat, and it reminds me of my childhood, so it's great. My favorite recipe is delicious cookies, and they are the best. It's my grandma recipe, of course. And it's my favorite recipe because I learned it when I was a child. It was my first recipe with my grandma. Her secret is to cut the chocolate pear and make your own chocolate chip.